What's good, people? Jay here. What is technical debt? Now, you might be thinking, I don't need to know what that stuff means because I'm a Scrum Master, I'm an Agile coach, or I'm a manager, I'm a product owner. Why do I need to care about anything technical? Well, technical debt can greatly impede a team's ability to deliver to the customer. So it's in your interest to know what it means. Maybe a useful way to understand technical debt is to see it. You're catching on. Now imagine I'm in a restaurant and I'm one of the cooks and I haven't cleaned up after the last dish that I cooked. So I don't know, maybe I made some eggs, I made some beans, some tomatoes, some toast, and I haven't cleaned up my mess. What do you think the impact is going to be for the next cook who wants to make or take on another order for a customer? Well, it's obvious, right? The other cook, that other person in my team, has to first clear up my mess before they can implement that next customer order. Now, as you can see, the other cook in the kitchen is not too happy about the mess I've created. So how does this translate to software? Well, you could say that the kitchen is a code base, right? And every time we're implementing a requirement for the customer, we are introducing code. Software developers need to clean up as they go, as they introduce new code, which are new requirements. Now, the temptation is that we deliver faster and we forget about cleaning up after our mess, and eventually that begins to accumulate more and more dishes, utensils, and a dirty workstation. Slowly but surely over time, if we don't keep up on the hygiene of our kitchen, orders will go out slower. And who will suffer? The customer. Also, keep in mind, what do you think happens to a dirty kitchen over time when you have mice running around, and that quality will start to permeate the product? And who is affected again? The customer. Now, there are practices that are known to be used typically in software teams to keep on top of technical debt. In the next few videos, I will introduce you to those practices in a way that anyone could understand. For now, is technical debt a bad thing? I think that's too binary. Sometimes in our restaurant, we make decisions to go a little bit faster because of certain circumstances. And we know there may be a cost for that later. So technical debt isn't good or bad. It's something that you want to keep on top of. Think of it as a light switch with different gradients rather than a regular switch that goes on or off. That's all. Peace.